Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can deposit funds to our Celsius wallet. Now, assuming that you have your crypto funds in another wallet or in another exchange, what we first need to identify is the receiving address in Celsius wallet, which corresponds to the type of cryptocurrency that you're trying to transfer over. Now, in this example, I'm trying to transfer some USD coins from my Nexo wallet into my Celsius wallet. So I'll just go ahead and log into my Nexo wallet. Just so you guys can see my current credit balance, and over here I will click on wallet and you can see that I have about $505 worth of USD coins, and I'm going to transfer about 260 USD coins over into my Celsius wallet. So I can click over here and select withdraw. And here you can see that we need to specify two things. Down here it's the amount that you need to transfer, which in my case I would be transferring around $260 worth of USD coins. And right here we need to enter the address from the receiving wallet. Alright, so the first thing that I need to do is I need to log into my Celsius wallet, and you can see that the current balance is just $0 over here. And in order to obtain the receiving address which corresponds to USD coins, or basically any coin that is supported by a Celsius wallet, you can click on this big C button, and from here you can select receive. And the default setting is to receive ETH, so we just close this and we can go ahead and search for USDC. And you can select this. And out of many things that I really like about Celsius wallet, this one is right up there where they clearly indicate exactly which blockchain it supports for a particular coin. And it clearly mentions that this address is only for USDC ERC20 tokens. So let's say if you're sending coins from an exchange or an external wallet, most probably they're going to ask you to select the network, and there are multiple options like ERC20, BSC, etc. And you will notice that some of the networks are actually charging you a very little fee. And it would be tempting to select the network which has the lowest fees, which not necessarily might be the correct blockchain that you need to use in order to receive these coins. So that's something that you need to be extremely cautious about, and this kind of an indication from Celsius is actually going to be quite helpful in that regard. Alright, so this is the address, and you have the option to either copy it or scan the QR code. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it and head back to my Nexo wallet, and I'm going to paste the address right over here. And here I'm going to specify the amount to be $260, and in this particular case, Nexo is not going to charge me any fee since this is my only withdrawal of the month, and we can just select withdraw from here. And I will have to input my two-factor authentication code here as well, and as you can see, Nexo wants me to head to my email and confirm this withdrawal as an additional layer of security. And after a while, you will get a notification saying that you have received the coins at the other end, which is exactly the amount that I sent over, which is 260 USDC. Alright guys, so that's about it for this quick video. If you do like the content, hit that like button so that you guys can help out the channel to grow further. And guys, if you really want to earn interest on your crypto assets, especially if you are a long-term holder, you can very safely park your coins in Celsius wallet, and they will pay you extremely generous amounts that are certainly hard to beat. And basically that's the case for every stable coin, which is way beyond the amount that any bank would pay you for your dollars. And the cool thing is that your assets are not locked. You can move them out from Celsius anytime you want. And guess what? Celsius is covering the gas fees for as many withdrawals as you need. And you can use my referral code when you're signing up to earn $50 worth of Bitcoin once you have made a transfer of $400 worth of any crypto assets. So don't forget to check that out as well. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again with another video soon.